Hello guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Deadly Boat Trip. Yeah. Sadly we have to do 2 players, but fingers crossed. No one. What the hell?
Fun in the sea together.
Okay guys, so yeah. That's normal. Oh, looks like it's in first person. Hello Derek. And hello Patricia. What?
I'm taking your mom, and you'll never see her again.
Mom! No! It's an amendments! Yeah, anyway. Right, we need to go. Grab all the rocks we can. Go. Now, what the hell? Oh, we're going this way. This way, that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea. Now let's catch the fish who took my mom. Right. Let's not crash into that. Guys, what is this boat? Like, literally, this is not even a boat. Right, where are we gonna stop? Wrong way? You told me to come this way. Right, anyway. Need you. Right. Oh. Soul trap, good. Thank you. What the hell is this? What is this? I've got my some money, and we've got you again. That's bigger than all the others. Right. Oh look guys, it's a spider. Whoa. Guys, it's a spider. Woo! Oh, poor spider. Guys, I killed the spider. No worries. And if I sound a bit weird, because I'm at that party. Because of Christmas, well, because of winter actually. But yeah. If you do enjoy these videos, guys, give me a subscribe and press the like if you want. If not, that's fine. It's entirely your choice. I don't care. Whatever you press, you press. If you just like watching the videos, just watch them. I don't care what you do. Right. Let's head back to the boat, guys. We need to go. We need to save my mom. I don't know why, but that big monster took her. Right, let's put you there. Woo! Good. Right. Where the hell are we going? Can I go? No. What's this? Q. Makes us go faster. It's getting dark, is it? I didn't realise. It's not even getting dark, guys. Does this seem dark to you? Oh. Whoa. Oh, wait up. Oh, who are you shooting? Thank you for the money, I guess. Whoa, guys. Oh my god. Whoa. Bloody pirates, man. hell? Guys, what is this? Oh my god. Guys, get back to the boat. Let's get back to the boat. I'm dying. I'm dying. Right. Oh my god, this game. What? Oh my god, guys. What is this? Oh my god, there's a bat. Oh my god, it flies! Killed it. Don't worry. Hello. You're being placed on the boat, I'm telling you now. Can I get back on the... Yes. You're definitely staying there, bro. You're saving me. Oh, guys, I don't trust this. What? Right, actually, what is this actually? Do I need... I don't even need that, bro. What's that in the water? Yeah, try and kill me, bro. Failed. Hey, it's daytime. Oh, hell nah, man. Jesus, guys, help me. Right. Guys, I think I would recommend this game to you because it is a really good game. But play it with your friends because it would be heck of a laugh, I tell you right now. Just seeing your friends die? Lol. Okay, I'm never oh my bloody hell! Yeah, guys, that scared me a bit. Don't know about you, but yeah. I didn't see it. I think that's why. Guys, you could have warned me that was coming. Right. I don't know how long this video is going to be, so if it's long, I'm really sorry. But yeah. Apart from that, let's head back on the boat and go. Right, that's in. Well, okay, it's just like doing the trailer. Right. Boom bop, boom bop, boom da da, ba da boom, boom. I don't trust that water, you know, guys. After seeing that creature take my mom, I don't think it's safe. What happens if I hit? I'm not hitting one of these, but if anyone's played this game, what actually happens if I do hit one of them? What the? Can I even get up? I can. Oh, hello. Whoa. Yeah, I'm keeping this gun. Oh my god, guys, it looks like my friend. Right, let's climb and climb and climb. There's a chest. Oh, hello. Get the gun. Oh, one shot, boom. One shot, boom. Dead. This gun is so amazing. It's a revolver, isn't it? I didn't see what it was, but I think I'm guessing it's a revolver. Oh, I hate being poorly, guys. I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. I don't know if I've mentioned, but my car, what I'm getting, has arrived in the UK, and I'm going to collect it on Saturday, which I'm really excited about. So I'll be doing videos about that as well. So it's not just Roblox and BeamNG no more. Anyway, back to the game, even though we are... Oh! Boom. I heard a growl. Right, guys, You heard a growl as well, didn't you? Never mind. No one heard a growl. Oh, why am I in water? Oh, I'm dying. Am I dying? I don't know. Oh my god. Right, where am I going? This way. This way, that way, forward and backwards over the Irish Sea. Anyway, I need to stop singing that, bro. Right, let's crack on with the boat ride. Oh, where are we? Oh, where the hell are we? I am nowhere near the depot, but you know, hello. At night. Uh-oh. At night, lovely. I don't know what you said, guys. If you saw that, please let me know.
Welcome back to Blocks News. This just in, Mom is alive and has been spotted with Sheldon in the scorched dunes. Our investigation team has found evidence that Mom and Sheldon actually know each other. Here's our reporter, Eliza Kassan, with the story.
Hi, Bricky. I found this Australian man who claims to know more about Mom and Sheldon. Sir, please
Sheldon
tell us
from Young
more.
Sheldon.
Arnar! Mom and Sheldon used to be right couple of pals.
Wow, incredible. Back to you,
Keep it
Bricky.
down, kid. You didn't get that item from me.
Wow, can you believe Australia is a real place and people talk like that? We'll have more on the story as it unfolds.
What about it?
But first, is your dishwasher in love with you?
Sorry. Is your dishwasher in love? Guys, is your dishwasher in love with you? Is it? I don't know. Last time I checked, it's not. Anyway. What is this island? What is this island? We are killing monsters. We are killing monsters. We are seeing pigeons. Saying grace. My gun is doing a good job. There we go. Boom. Shot. Dead. Bam. Right, we don't need any bear traps because thank you. Right, what's this? Is this the right, we've already got a rifle, thank you. Thank you. Need that. Thank you for the cash. Guys, getting cash, I don't know what I need it for, but you know. But apparently we are near the monster, and I think the monster's called Sheldon. I am not too sure though. I would know if my mum was talking about Sheldon, because she never did. You know, back when my mum was taken, before she was taken, you know, she never told me about this monster where she was living. I don't know if it used to be my plan or before I do anything. There we go. I don't know if Sheldon's my bait or what, but I'm sure it's not the monster. I really hope it's not the monster, guys. God, my boat is so slow. It's getting dark. Oh, guys, there's more monsters to be taken. Right. What is there, bro? You stay back, bro. Yeah, it can be placed there, bro. We need as much guns on the boat as possible. Bingo. Shot. Dead. I actually like this game. It's actually really... Hello. Guys, we've got a crossbow. Woohoo! Oh, I've got 5 HP. Well. What do I do now? Oh, missed it. Okay, let's get... Yep, on the boat. Right. Let's go away from the people. Bro, I can't. Oh, hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on low health. Bro, I didn't know what was happening, man. Right. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I don't even know how long it is. Hold on. I'm gonna check. Okay, it's not that long. Only 17 minutes, so... Can you guys cope for 17 minutes? I don't know. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you all. Comment suggestions to see what games I should play next. Because I don't know what games I should play. What do you reckon? But apart from that, guys, I'll leave you to it, and hope you have a good rest of your day or night wherever you're from. And be safe. Peace out. See you in the next one. Ta-da.